Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Take a look at fiber, guys. FYBR. Actually, was an AI alert also at $13.99. Showed up on my a couple other ones on my scans. But if you follow the news, you know fiber, AT&T, T, and Verizon all got hammered down because of the lead issue with their cables, buried cables. So that's what was happening here. But if you're with me in the pre-market, I was saying, well, guys, take a look at fiber if it takes out yesterday's high. And no, I'm sorry, the 2 days ago high. And that's exactly what it did. You can see 13.99. That is almost, that's 13.94. And look what it did. It moved so beautifully up to 15.26 and had a pullback right to the VWAP, and the VWAP held so far. So this was just a great setup. We talked about it in the pre-market, and I suggested everybody take a look at it, you know, at around the 14 level, and it worked out great. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.